So this is something really dedicated to the students of Mumbai University, especially for the engineering segment. So this is a simple software which have been created by my team under my guidance. So it is something like it will help you converting your SGPI, or you can talk about CGPI, into your percentage. And let's see how well it can help you out. So SGPI is something like the pointer which you achieve in your particular semester, and CGPI is something like it is an aggregate of all your semesters. Okay, so we can just enter with your name over here. So I'll just enter my name, and you can put down your WhatsApp number. Okay, so either the students could be from first year, either the students could be from the direct second year. Okay, vice versa, whichever it may be belong to. So for example, if you belong to your first year, so if you click on first year, so over here you can put your SGPI. Okay, for example, you have if you are in third year, so at this moment you might be having your SGPI for 5 semesters. So in case if you're having any KT and if you don't have any SGPI, don't enter that value, it's okay. So for example, semester 1 you got an SGPI of 7.29. Okay, semester 2 you got an SGPI of 6.24. Okay, so semester 3 in case if you have a KT, then avoid that. Semester 4 again you cleared and you have a pointer of 5.92. Okay, so if you want a percentage of this conversion or percentage of the respective semesters, okay, so you can click on the first icon, that is a percentage converter. So with this it will give you the percentage of the respective semesters. Okay, so this is the first task which this website can help you out. Okay, so let's go for the next. So next, if in case you want the analysis. Okay, so if you want the analysis or you want the average for it, so first semester 6 point, second semester 9.54, third semester for example you got 6.54, fourth semester in case you got a KT, fifth semester something if you got 5.8. Okay, then you can click on view analysis. This will help you in following domain. It will give you the aggregate of the CGPI, what you have entered it, number one. Second, it will give you the aggregate of the percentage of your CGPI. Next, it will also help you if you are targeting 9 pointer. This cross marks indicates that even if you bring 9.99, you cannot bring 9, you cannot go 9 pointer on an average. Okay, so if in case if you are targeting 8 pointer, so the remaining semester you have to bring 8.98. so that's a prediction analysis. So it will help you to predict what pointer you need to achieve this particular target. So if you're targeting 7 pointer, the remaining semesters you need 6.98 in all the semesters. If you're targeting 6 pointer, the remaining semester you need minimum is 4.98 and above. So this is the way you can this is the analysis will it work. It will help you to target which pointer if you're targeting for it for examination. So this software will help you in this factors. So thank you so much. This just a small efforts by my team, Inshal Qureshi and Khan Faisal, myself, Professor Awaf Faqih from Anjuman Islam Khalsa Technical Campus. So I hope this will just help you in converting your SGPI or your CGPI into percentage as well as the aggregate. Or if you are pursuing student, it will help you if you're targeting 9, 8, 7, 6 pointer. So what pointer you should need in the coming semester. So it will help you in predicting that pointer. So thank you so much for your time.